hey. It's time for the weather. Where'd I put my weather glasses? We might get some hail in here. I better get my glasses on. Let's have a look here, see what's happening. Let's see, today is June 5th, 2009, San Diego, partly cloudy. Guess what happened last night? We got some rain. Can you believe it? Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo! Alrighty, right now it is 63 degrees. Gonna have a high today, 68, low 61. Escondido, what's up, JoJo? 60 degrees, cloudy, 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 cloudy. Partially, small chance of rain today. 70 degrees for a high, low for 57. Novato, what's up, Scott? 59 degrees, cloudy, high today at 64, low at 52. Modesto, KJ, how's it going? High today at 70, low at 56. Currently 60 degrees. Rain and lightning. Watch out for that lightning, it'll get you. Okay, Everett, Washington, what's up, Brian? Glad you're watching the show. It's all about the weather, you know. Everett, 60 degrees, cloudy. Gonna have a high today at 75, low at 55. Panhandle, Texas, cloudy, lightning. Let's see here. Gonna have a high today at 90 degrees. It's hot out there. Low at 65. Macedonia. That's in Ohio. It's close to Cleveland because we've had a lot of cards and letters wanting to know where the heck Macedonia is. That's where it's at. High today at 67. You're already at your high. Low at 53. New York City. Look at that rain. It's raining. Raining. Hope you got your umbrella, Ariel. 57 degrees. High today at 61. Low at 55. And just looking in the news here. You ain't gonna believe this. It's a for sale. It's a country 2-story on 7 acres. Count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 acres. Main home is 3,800 square feet. It's got 5 master bathroom bedrooms, 4.5 baths, indoor spa. Master bedroom and 2 bedrooms are on the first floor. All bedrooms have their own private bath. That's crazy. It looks like a dang mansion. Second floor has another bathroom and bath, as well as a big bonus area. It can be used as a game room. And a second separate 2-story guest house. 1 bedroom upstairs with a bath and spa downstairs. Oh, you ain't gonna believe this. Especially you folks living in California, southern style. All for $339,000. Is that crazy or what? Let's move to Texas. Yeah!